Welcome to Trimble Earthworks Task Tutorial. Task: Create a sloping plane. To create a sloping plane using just a mainfall, touch and hold the mainfall on the guidance bar. Touch the mainfall value to highlight the value and bring up the numerical pad that'll allow you to input new values. Input the new values. To invert the slope, touch the plus/minus button. Touch Apply to save the new mainfall values. The new mainfall value will appear in the guidance bar. The icon at the end of the number will show if the slope rises or falls, and the profile view will show the slope you are being guided to. As we only want mainfall for this slope, ensure that the cross slope is set to level. You have just successfully created a sloping plane.